I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Git integration in Uipath Studio and cloning the remote repository into your workspace. Once done, configure your user, name and user, email so commits are traceable. Make sure the project contains a proper Git ignore that excludes build artifacts like /obj and /bin and any secrets. Then open the cloned project in Studio, let it index, and verify Git pane shows the current branch. This gets you into a reproducible project state, ready for changes. You create a feature branch for your change and begin editing workflows in Studio. While you work, save frequently and use the Git pane to stage only the relevant XAML and config files to avoid noisy commits. Commit with clear, imperative messages describing the why and what. If you need to rebase or squash local commits, do it before pushing. Make sure to pull remote changes first to avoid surprises. Use small commits for atomic changes, so code review and rollback stay simple. You push your feature branch and open a merge request for review, include description and test notes. If reviewers request changes, update on the same branch and push additional commits. When merging, handle conflicts by opening conflicting XAML in Studio, accepting correct diffs, and testing the process end-to-end. After merge, tag the release and bump the project version as needed. Troubleshooting tip: if Studio shows phantom changes, run git status and git restore staged or reset the file. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.